I've travelled all over, but I've never seen a city like this. 30 million people, 3D architecture, and the best street food in China. Let's get lost in Chongqing. Good morning and welcome back to another day of me being a donut here in Chongqing. Hopefully I don't get lost today. So today I think I'll go see the Liziba line where that train goes through that building, and we'll see what else is in store. You can see the difference here this morning. Whilst walking around, I stumbled upon a lot of coffee stores. I think there's like an international festival going on. There's so many different stalls. Oh wow, look at that. And here's another one. And another one. This is what will end up happening to you after you have a coffee. Mr. Ducky. Look at that massive Garfield. Do you want to say hello? Hi. Guess where I am? My favorite coffee shop. Oh yeah, cappuccino time. They even gave me a free sticker set. I've been trying to use Alipay and WeChat on the ticket machines, but for some reason it's not working here. So if any of you have any ideas about why, let me know please. Look at that view. And then look at that crowd for the train. If you take a left exit at exit number 2 at the station, you'll see a police station. Down there apparently there's meant to be a really nice viewpoint, so let's take a look. Mr. Bean strikes again. So you can see the train tracks behind me. There's a hidden cafe just down there as well. Being in Chongqing is such a workout. Time for some coconut ice cream. Really nice and coconutty, much needed in this weather. Triangle cake, guys. Let's try. Let's try triangle cake. So you can see the sesame there, and I think there's ube inside because I saw some pink stuff or purple stuff. Let's just try and let's see inside. Let's take a look inside. Oh, look at that. Okay, I think I bought a different one because I saw one with some purple stuff inside. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see what seeds these are, but it feels very thick. Let's see. There's mung beans inside. Let's try it. It's got a really thick texture to it. It tastes like a sponge cake. It's nice and fluffy on the inside though as well. Nice. I found the orange tree. Can you see the massive oranges in there? Souvenir. I'm gonna head down to where I showed you earlier, where all that crowd was. Let's see what the view is like from there. Look at that crowd behind me. If you're planning on coming here, I suggest maybe you come a bit earlier to avoid the crowds. I'm off to the next spot now. I'm gonna ride the famous train in Chongqing now. I've made it to the place where your mind goes crazy. You know that bridge where you look down and you think you're at the ground level, but you're actually not? It's the 22nd floor. Let me show you the other side. It looks like you're on the ground floor. Are you ready? Oh my God. I hate heights. It's scary that looks. Look how high this building is. I hate heights as well. This place really does mess with your mind. Let's head on over to the cable car and get some nice shots of the city and the river. I tried the ice cream of White Rabbit the other day. Now to try the milk. I think it's milk anyway, looking at the translation. Oh, look at that. Creamy and milky, just as nice as the ice cream. I decided not to go onto the cable car. The queue was quite busy. So I'm gonna see what else there is to do around here. To be quite honest, this place really does take it out of you. Just looking at my watch, I've already done like 18,000 steps. So yeah, just make sure you're physically fit if you come here and you're gonna roam around. Let's head towards the Raffles building. The building you can see right up there. I'm in the Raffles shopping center now. Let's take a look around. It looks really nice and posh. I'm not sure if that's a Chinese brand, but if someone could educate me. So if you're thinking of going to the viewing deck in Raffles City, these are the prices. So I decided against the sky deck as well. It was a bit overpriced for me, and looking at it, I'm scared of heights, like I said earlier. So I'll roam around the mall and maybe go to Haiyang Cave again later. Let's see. No way, there's an alpaca here. Looks like I've stumbled upon the food area, my favorite area. Looks like Dubai chocolates even made it here. Hotpot time. Got myself some shrimp. Oh yeah, posh Hotpot has arrived, along with the rice. So there's lots of different veggies on here. You got the prawn right here. And I'm not even sure what that is. And this one. I mean, there's lots of different vegetables there. Potato as well. Cauliflower. Nice. I'll try the cauliflower. Let's see. Nice. Spicy, but nice. And you know what? I'm gonna eat in peace, so I'll see you guys in a bit. But it's nice. That was amazing, but you know what? It was so spicy. Look at the amount of chilies. Jeez. But what was good is they included water and unlimited rice. So I know my Kabayans will love that. You know what we've got to do now though, right? Dessert! Oh yeah, baby. Look at that compared to earlier. So I told you guys it was dessert time and I got myself a Basque cheesecake. Some nuts at the top, cream, and the cheesecake. Let's try the nuts. The nuts are glazed. Let's try some of that cheesecake. Nice. Nice and creamy and cheesecakey. Right, I'm gonna tuck in. So I'll show you the view in a minute after I'm done. Let's do a bit more roaming around now. Let's head back to the Hongya cave, seeing as though it's my last night here. Here we are, back at the cave, just right over there. Don't come here on a weekend if you can avoid it. It's worse than yesterday. Jeez, I can hardly hear myself think here. I'm gonna leave it at that for now. It's been a busy day and I'm absolutely knackered, so I'm gonna go back and get some rest. Tomorrow we're off to Zhangjiajie, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.